Here with Darla Silva, Chief Programs Officer at UNICEF USA, a highly rated nonprofit on Charity Navigator that provides humanitarian aid to children in crisis. Darla, thank you for connecting with me. I'm eager to hear how UNICEF USA is helping the children of Ukraine and how donors can join you in your efforts.
Thanks, Kevin. It's great to be here. And thanks for all the work of your organization. So UNICEF has a program in Ukraine and surrounding countries. Inside Ukraine, UNICEF is focused on providing safe water to people in conflict areas. It's also pre-positioning health and emergency education supplies and supporting 13 mobile teams providing psychosocial support. And then in surrounding countries, UNICEF is activating Blue Dot centers. And these are one-stop safe centers where families can be provided with information, provide a safe space for women and children, and also gives us an opportunity to identify any separated or unaccompanied children that need support.
That's fantastic. You know, children obviously are the most vulnerable, along with, underserved populations, people that have various disabilities. I'm curious as to, I know it's kind of the initial days, but, what are some of the things that you're hearing and seeing on the ground at this point?
Yeah, so one of the primary concerns is that the fighting is moving closer to where civilian populations live, where children's homes have been destroyed. We're concerned about damage to health centers, concerned about damage to infrastructure that provides safe water. We've also seen so much displacement in just 7 days. 1 million people, including 500,000 children, have left Ukraine. And this type of massive displacement increases risks. And Ukraine, even before this conflict started, had a polio outbreak and also had been impacted by COVID-19. So all of this is in the backdrop of what we're seeing.
Sure, I can imagine. It's just compounding. Darla, what are some of the ways for those that are watching that they can get involved and help UNICEF USA in what you're doing?
So UNICEF has launched an appeal for $276 million for our program inside Ukraine and an additional $73 million to support countries surrounding Ukraine. So any amount helps. This can help us to provide some of those Blue Dot centers, which each one serves 3,000 to 5,000 children and their families. So any of that support is appreciated.
That's fantastic. Well, I really appreciate all that you and your team are doing. I'm sure that you've inspired many to help lend a hand. And for those of you watching, please consider opening your heart towards those in need by supporting trustworthy, impactful nonprofits like UNICEF USA.
Thanks so much, Kevin.